Right now we are at Singhu border. It feels like that I am standing on an international border. This is not Delhi and Haryana border. On my this side is Delhi, which is fortified by Delhi police. You can see this cemented wall surrounded by sharpened iron nails. Media is also banned. To show these pictures, to tell the story, we have to walk for almost 6 kilometers here and then walk back 6 kilometers. So it means we are walking more than 12 kilometers every day to show these pictures and the reality of Singhu border. As a reporter, on 26 November, when these farm unions arrived here, we were here reporting live. There was continuous tear gas shelling for 2 hours. And then they decided to block this highway, NH24, NH44. And then 26 January, this is the place where they first broke the barricade and marched towards Outer Ring Road and then to Lal Killa. But after that, things changed for media. As a reporter, we were allowed to shoot everything before 26 January, but now, no more. We are stopped almost 4 kilometers from here. Earlier, they were allowing us, Delhi police was allowing us to come inside after showing our ID cards. But now we cannot enter on foot as well. So we walk almost 6 kilometers through the fields of Singhu village, which is in Delhi, and then to enter it in Kondli industrial area, which is in Sonipat district, and then again walk till here. They have allowed us to shoot from here, but you can see the fortification here. They have digged NH44 and placed the sharp iron nails and covered those iron nails with the polythene sheet. But the biggest question is, why media is being gagged? To cover their press conference, the farm leaders' press conference, we cannot do it because internet connectivity is not there. We cannot get our OB van inside because there is no passage from Delhi. So we are totally dependent on the press releases. In fact, they don't have internet, they don't have Wi-Fi's to tell their side of story. The biggest question is then, how are we going to cover this protest when we are not allowed? We enter, and not us, other media outlets also. Delhi police is not allowing us to come till here. In fact, at times media is being targeted here as well, showing several pictures. They are good people, they are bad people in farm protest as well. They don't like few pictures and few stories we do. But at the end of the day, we have to tell their side of the stories. But this is the reality. It feels like I'm standing on an international border. On my right is Haryana, on my left is Delhi. And you can see the preparations. This iron concrete wall of 6 feet surrounded by iron fencing and the sharpened iron rods are the reality, and media reporters are not allowed. Earlier, we used to walk till here and cover this whole protest, but now no more. From the border of Haryana and Delhi at Singhu border, Saurabh Shukla for NDTV.